family. Hey, tastemakers, friends, posh partners. Hope everyone's doing well today. I've been having fun today. I've been making gifts all day long, and I want to share with you how to make a gift using this container. You see these containers at Dollar Tree, and my gift baskets are, everything came from Dollar Tree. I want you guys to don't feel bad if you don't have a lot of money, but you still want to show somebody some love. You can do it. It's all about how you put things together. So this gift basket is going to be under $10, maybe closer to $5. But we're going to use this container here. We're going to need some, what is this wrap here? There's a craft paper. Going to need some tissue paper. We're going to need some decorative shred and some cello wrap. We're going to need scissors and some transparent tape and some glue dots, okay? If you don't need glue dots, but that's what I use. So how I prep my bags or my baskets, I take my craft paper, and so it's going to be a lot of rustling. Ball it up. Put it in the container. Make sure it fits. Okay, so since it fits, I like to wrap it all the way around in tissue paper. This gives it a nice look when the recipient gets their goodies out. Okay, put a little shred in here. Adds a little cushion. Okay, so that we just need a little bit. I've done probably 12 gifts. I'm still on the same bag. I finally just used up all of my tissue paper. So, we can be smart about the mechanics of our gifts. Okay, so that's good. That's ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to use the following. Snacks. All of this came from Dollar Tree. You see these little cute things in Dollar Tree. You're like, Dad, what do I do with them? Well, these are always like right across from the snacks. So that's a good clue. So I'm going to use this peanut brittle, which is good. It's always good. They always have this. So I'm trying to do things with that are pretty much, they have it almost every store. I've seen these in every store I've ever been in. The Sweet Chaos drizzled popcorn. This is the peppermint crunch. This is more for like the peppermint lover, even though it has peanut brittle in it. I'm going to put some peppermint puffs, peppermint bark, these Brock's soft peppermint stir sticks, and some peppermint candy canes, okay? So let's just put it there. Put that there. Kind of force that in there. So that's our backing here. I'll put the popcorn there. Put the peppermint bark there. Take that down. I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to make some adjustments, then you guys know what I'm doing. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, put that there. Sometimes the packaging can help, with filling in the gaps and okay, so then I tape the products to each other. See what's going on. Oh, okay. Just trying to make sure that my device was still working. It didn't look like it was taping. It's at the end of the day for me, and I didn't want to have to do this over. That's all you have to do. Just arrange it nicely. So we got our Brock's peppermint sticks, peppermint bark. We got some peppermint puffs, peppermint popcorn, peppermint, what is it, candy canes, and we just got some peanut brittle to break it up. Add some shreds in here to cushion it up a bit. It's decorative and it adds a nice cushion so that things won't move around as much. Stick a little bit back there. Okay. Isn't that just cute? Put your bow on top. Wrap it in some cello wrap. Put the bow on top there. And you have a very thoughtful gift. And we have the other one, so this is what it'll look like. You put your cello wrap and all of that together. This is just how I did that one. Okay, so put the cello wrap, and then you take any excess and tape it to the back. So I pull that to the back, you take the tape, this is how I do it. Take and pull it really tight in the back there. Now, I like to have a little cushion because sometimes these things do fall, like if you're transporting it somewhere. And this little cushion in the back does help protect. And just take your tape and just make it as neat as you possibly can. All right. have your tag on there. And that is just a very thoughtful gift. If you're going to someone's house, makes a nice housewarming gift. I mean, a nice hostess gift. Someone invites you over. You don't want to come empty-handed. You know, you bring something like this. It's so cute. This makes a great gift for your boss, co-workers, neighbors. If you're out selling, if you're doing a pop-up shop, these are the cute little things that really brighten up your pop-up shop. All right, guys. So I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe if you're new. And if you got any inspiration or if you like this content, hit that like button and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. All right. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Bye, Mom. This was under $10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. If you're selling these, you can sell these for $25. $25. Easy.